mark the 28th anniversary of their partnership, SAIC and GM has unveiled a new concept car called Gen Z Explorer, an electric hatchback aimed at the future of mobility in China. This concept was created by the Pan-Asia Technical Automotive Center Design, a joint operation between the two automakers. The Gen Z Explorer is similar in size to NIO's Firefly EV. However, though there's nothing particularly loud about its design, the Gen Z Explorer hides some striking showpiece features. Both the front and rear sections are reportedly embedded with 2,000 micro LEDs, capable of displaying images and messages. It has PATAC Design branding in front, suggesting GM didn't yet decide under which brand it will launch. The EV also sports hidden door handles, digital rearview mirrors, and very short overhangs. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that screams innovation, high-tech, and minimalist design. While details about the infotainment system and other interior features are still under wraps, early impressions are promising. According to Chinese media, the Gen Z Explorer is packing some serious punch. It's reportedly equipped with a new generation powertrain that includes an electric motor at each axle, combining to produce 644 horsepower. The Gen Z Explorer can reportedly do 0 to 62 miles per hour in an impressive 3.8 seconds. Although its battery capacity hasn't been disclosed, the concept is claimed to offer an astonishing theoretical range of 745 miles on a single charge. No immediate plans for the car's production future have been announced, but if it reaches the public roads, it will likely be sold through Buick's new all-electric Electra brand in China.